Do you see this in your visual automation and want to remove them before setting active to your visual automation? In this 3-minute ConvertKit tip, you are going to learn 2 ways to manually remove subscribers from your visual automations. I'm Jason Resnick of NurtureKit, NurtureKit.co, and with email automation, there are going to be scenarios and times where you need to remove a subscriber from that automation, or as you start to build out a visual automation, you find that, well, people are going into it. Yeah, I know why it happens, but I don't know why it's set to default. So let's dive in and I'll show you 2 ways to manually remove your subscribers. The easy way is if you know where the subscriber is in the visual automation, in the case of this bubble or someplace else, then you can easily just click on the bubble, or you could click on the node itself where the subscribers are, and you're going to get a page that looks like this. Click the check mark next to the name of the subscriber or next to the subscriber, and click on remove automation, remove from automation. And that's it. Then they'll be removed. However, there may be scenarios where you know the email address of the subscriber, but they're inside of a visual automation where you're not really sure exactly where they are, and you don't want to sit here all day and click through to find them. In this case, you would want to create an event at the bottom of the visual automation to have a tag applied. Now, I use IO for anything that's internal, so I know that this is something that I did manually, and then maybe just manual pull, right? And then apply that tag to this subscriber. So Liam here, we need to remove you. We apply that tag, we refresh the visual automation, and we should see him pop through. Yep, there he goes. That's it. If you find this happening more often, you may want to include that event at the bottom of all of your visual automations, just so that you have it at your disposal and you don't have to create it every single time. Just remember, when you apply a tag and you want to reuse and reapply that tag, you have to remove it first. And that's it. If this video was helpful, smash that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do so and hit that bell icon so that you get notified the next time a ConvertKit tip drops. When you treat your email list like humans, amazing transformations happen.